Okay, a factory update. We're working on a big, tricky project. We have the mold for the bottom of the SeaPod, which is right here, and we're right now making the first finished piece. Then the mold's going to come off. Then we have the roof here behind us, and this roof is going to be assembled on top. But then we also have the sides. So there's side pieces that connect the bottom part to the roof section of the SeaPod. So the problem is the sides weren't made correctly, so I think they're off by 8 centimeters on one side and 10 centimeters on the other side. So we made it, instead of making a permanent side piece, we made it really thin so it's flexible and movable. And we're just positioning it now, cutting it up, and we're going to make another mold from this and try to fix it. So it's going to take probably a week or two of work to get it to a usable piece. Hopefully it won't be too much longer than that. Then we'll be able to, once we have this side done, then we'll do the other side. And then hopefully everything will line up. But these side pieces are pretty much the last thing to go together, to go on, because they are the connection piece between the bottom and the top. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Fingers crossed.